Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Honda Civic, that generation here from year 2016 to year 2021. If you guys have one of those and you need to find where the relay for the fog lights is located, which relay you need to check, where you can buy cheap relays and fuses, that way you don't waste your money guys, and why it's important to test fuses and relays, all that will be covered in this video today for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. On this channel you will be able to find guys a video for every fuse on your Honda Civic guys, if you have that generation from year 2016 to year 2021. Why we make these videos? To save you time and money. Let's say you're down the road, you need a fuel pump fuse, because without that fuse practically the car will not be running if it's blown. You can just search for it and find it instantly and know which fuse to check, because even in the manual, okay, the fuses are under different names that could be really hard to diagnose. Now, another thing guys, we're constantly working on things, taking engines apart, transmissions, fixing cars, and we have 3 channels that we have more than 1.1 million subscribers altogether on these channels guys, that we daily put content that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs as well. So let's go ahead, explain now where you can find all the fuses. Another thing now here guys, okay, you will have different kind of fuses on your Honda Civic guys. Some of those could be really hard to find. Okay, we're talking about some multi-fuses, multi-block fuses right here. Those could be really expensive, hard to find, impossible to find in small towns or in the middle of nowhere. Relays can be overpriced as well. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get practically all the fuses and relays at a really good price and quick shipping as well. That way you don't waste your money guys. So let's go ahead, start on it and explain about the fuses now. So the fog lights relay, where it's located, we're going to demonstrate on 2017 Honda Civic guys. On that Honda Civic you have 2 different fuse boxes. We'll need to open the fuse box that's located under the hood right here. So if we zoom in a little bit, okay, let me zoom in a little bit right there, that's your fuse box, that's the cover. So that cover, you open it and you're going to see a fuse box layout that looks just like this one. This one will be the front of your Honda Civic. This is towards the windshield side. Now before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays now. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the fog lights relay guys, if the relay is good, okay, you can always test them. We put a link in the description of the video below how to test them, but always check the fuses for the fog lights as well. The video will be on our channel. The fog lights relay will be here, 1, 2, 3, 4. That last relay towards the windshield side, that relay will need to be checked right here guys. That's the fog lights relay. Check the fuse as well. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. If you have any more questions, just let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.